Everyone, welcome back to Pine Hollow Auto Diagnostics. It's a beautiful day, and it's time to tackle the 1992 Oldsmobile Silhouette. Here she is, in all her glory. Hey, no rust, plastic body panels. Sweet. We're at almost 210,000 miles, and I got this van, like 3 months ago. The guy wanted to scrap it because it had a misfire and the transmission was having problems. When you're shifting in gears, it doesn't go anywhere until, I don't know, you floor it and then it, boom, engages, and it drives fine. So I'm thinking, hey, maybe we can fix that for not too much money. And this thing is way too cool to just send to the crusher without at least giving it a chance. So first things first, let's tackle that misfire. Hey, I plugged in the scanner. Let's see what data PIDs were available in 1992. Put in the VIN. Obviously, we're using the Verus. This thing is awesome at old vehicles. GM1 adapter. So that's the adapter. We have a power cord going to the cigarette lighter. And then this is our regular wireless, module. So let's turn the key on. Let's see if it starts up. I did charge the battery a while ago. How can you scrap that? 5 cylinders, still starts, no problem. Continue. Codes and data. Let's say display some trouble codes. Hey, no codes present. History codes, no codes present. Amazing. No misfire counters. Data display and road test. Let's see what we can find in here. Look, even the oxygen sensor is working. Throttle percent. Yeah, that works. Let's see here. Command gear. So we do have some transmission information, which is good. Weak cylinder number 4. That's our misfire counter. So we can verify that. Go out under the hood. That's awesome. It already gives us a direction. How amazing. Weak cylinder. Alright. So leave that running. And let's go under the hood. Apologize for the belt squeal. We'll have to diagnose that too. Test light. We're going to do a cylinder drop test right at this ignition module over here. So, pull off one wire. So this is cylinder number... I can't read that. 3 and 6, 5 and 2, 1 and 4. Waste spark system. We're going to pull off number 4, see what happens. No spark from coil number 4. Boom! Diagnosis is done. Let's check number 1. Yep. Definitely a good spark in number 1. We need new ignition coil, no question about it. Why is that? Well, the companion cylinder is sparking. This one isn't. There's no problem with the feed or the control of this coil. It's just that one tower, probably internal short, and it actually grounds through the coil instead of the spark plug. So, okay, 1 needs new ignition coil. Fastest misfire diagnostics ever, right? Keith, I think Keith would be proud of this one. What else can we do? Transmission. Let's look at the scanner, shift some gears, and see what happens. Alrighty, here we have some data PIDs. It's in park right now. Let's shift it to reverse, see what happens. It actually freaking engaged. And it moves. Okay, forward and engaged. Well, I guess we'll have to get it to act up. I mean, for now, let's get the ignition coil, see what's up with that squeaky belt. Otherwise, this thing might be drivable. See here. Reverse, applied it perfectly. Neutral. Fourth, third, second, low. Park. I'm really impressed. I thought this thing wouldn't even move from its spot here. Let me go get an ignition coil and we'll be back. By the way, one quick verification we can do on this vehicle to condemn the bad ignition coil. And I mean, we know the ignition coil is bad, but before running to the parts store, I want to make sure these spark plugs and spark plug wires are still okay. So I want to switch number 1 and number 4 wires right here at the coil, and then on the scanner we can see if the weak cylinder PID moves to number 1. That'll confirm that the number 4 cylinder is still alive and well. If I can reach over here. Yeah, I think you can. There we go. Let's fire it up and look at the scanner. Alright, let's just jump right into the codes and data and look at our weak cylinder. So this is, I guess, a primitive misfire counter, but hey, it works. Better than the Honda Odyssey misfire detection, that's for sure. Weak cylinder, that's all we care about. None. Start up. There you go. Number 1 confirmed. So number 4 works. Let's blow it out a little bit. Amazing. Old cars just put a smile on your face, don't they?